I'm gonna show you exactly how to make a hoodie mockup in Canva using free tools that you can customize for your brand or clothing line. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to upload your design, place it on a hoodie mockup, and export it for marketing or client presentation. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's get started. First, log into your Canva account. On the left-hand panel, click Create a Design and choose any canvas size you prefer. Once your blank canvas is ready, go to Apps on the left menu. In the search bar, type Mockups and select the app that appears. Inside the Mockup section, scroll down until you find the hoodie mockups. Canva has several options, from front-facing plain hoodies to lifestyle photos. For this tutorial, I'll choose a transparent hoodie mockup so we can easily adjust it within the canvas. Next, go to the Uploads tab and upload your logo or hoodie design. Once uploaded, drag it onto the hoodie, and Canva will automatically fit it in place. You can fine-tune the position, size, and angle for a more realistic look. Once your hoodie mockup looks perfect, click Share at the top right corner and choose Download. Select PNG for the best image quality if you plan to post it online. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! You've just created your very own hoodie mockup in Canva. Simple, customizable, and perfect for showcasing your clothing designs. If you want to learn even more Canva tricks, check out our step-by-step tutorial on how to make mockups in Canva, where we dive deeper into mockup creation from the design itself up to placing and styling your very own mockup. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.